Okay, I'm going to show you how to clean my copper. Copper tarnishes naturally, and sometimes you don't like that look and you want it shiny again. Like this is pretty tarnished. It's been sitting a little while. This one I cleaned. You can see the difference between the two. Okay, I'm going to show you how I do that. Alright, first thing I do is I get some ketchup, put it on there, and then we just put this in there. Make sure you coat it real good. Just work it in there. It's going to be all shiny and new again. So we'll leave that one sit there a minute and do this one. Alright, let's set this aside, get some water, and get all the ketchup off. Usually I do this in the running water of the sink, but I don't want to take you to my sink, so this is gonna what you got. Alright, there's that one. Oops. Alright. Paper towel. Alright. And these are as good as the day that I twisted them up. See the difference? I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you with this guy here. Let me get this water out of the way. There's some more ketchup over here. Let me show you this guy. Yeah. Alright. I'm only going to do halfway. That way you can see. I get it in there really good. Helps to use your hands. Do it really good. Alright, let's move that. Put this in there. Works better under running water. Alright, and as you can see, or maybe you can't, not positive, it is way brighter than it was. Dingy, brighter and shinier. Okay, so that's how you clean your copper, make it shiny and bright again. Thank you.